After you finish engraving your acrylic ornament, hit Cancel on the Cricut design space to return to the canvas. Hide or delete everything you worked on earlier, since we're done with all of that, and show just the text you created for your ornament. Since there were multiple ornaments on the canvas that I hid, I'm going to have to go through and find mine. Here it is. Once you have it on the canvas by itself, hit Make It and Continue. Here we're going to select our material. I found the Cricut cut this vinyl really well when it was set to metallic vinyl. So we're going to search for vinyl and select metallic vinyl. Before you cut the vinyl, you'll have to remove the protective sheet from the shiny side of the vinyl. Then position it in the top left corner of a standard grip mat, and either before or after you load the mat, you'll need to return the white rings to their original positions, and swap out the engraving tool with the fine point blade. Then you can load the mat. And when it's done, unload the mat and peel off the vinyl with its backing. Cut off the excess from around your design so that you can save the rest of the vinyl for another project. Then you'll need to peel off the material surrounding your design. If you have some material remaining inside one of the letters like I do, we have tools provided in the creative space, in the drawers to the right of the Cricuts, that make it easy to pry out the little pieces, just like this. Then, to transfer it to your ornament, you'll cut a piece of transfer tape in the size of your design, press it on your design, peel it off of the backing, and then press it onto the ornament. And then you're done.